सो गाइस देखिए आज हमारे पास दो बहुत ही बेहतरीन प्रोडक्ट हैं फ्रॉम द ब्रांड हनीवेल. These are USB hubs, you can see here. So let us quickly unbox them and let me show you what you get in the box. First of all, let us open this. So guys, this is Momentum Type C to 4-port USB hub. So I'll explain you everything in a minute. Let me first quickly unbox this. So this is the packing that you get. Although I didn't get this packing, this outer film with this, you can see here. Let us quickly unbox this. तो चलिए जल्दी से इसे खोलते हैं यहाँ से. So we have this tool here, or maybe we don't need it. I can simply pull it here. Very nice packing from brand Honeywell, guys. Beautiful packing. So let us keep them here. So this is the box, this is the packing, and this is the product. You can see here. So guys, this is in the box. Here you get, this is all in the box, guys, and we truly appreciate your choosing our product, So this is the feedback thing, and let us keep it aside. So guys, you get 3-year limited warranty with this. So this is the terms and condition, and you should read it. So guys, here's the product itself. You can see here, premium metal finish, guys. You get this 30 centimeter cable here. With this, it is 30 centimeter as written over the box, and this is, guys, USB-C to USB-A type port. So here they have made all the 4 ports blue, but these are not all super speed ports. Only this one is the super speed port, and all these are normal ports. USB 2, this is our only USB 3 port that supports up to 5 gigabits per second of speed, और बाकी सब तो guys USB 2 port है हमारे that supports speed up to 480 megabits per second. So here's the thing, let me show you what is written here. So guys, this is USB-C type port from the brand Honeywell here. Very sleek design, metallic finish, guys, and it comes with 3-year warranty. Beautiful, very lightweight. So let us quickly unbox the second one, which is this. Actually, guys, this is the advanced one. So let us quickly unbox this from here. We didn't get the film, okay, like outer film with this. I ordered this from Flipkart. One is from Flipkart and one is from Amazon. So this is, let us quickly unbox this, then I will compare both of them. I'll show you the difference between the two. So here you can see this is the packing, and again we get these labels. So again the same thing, warranty card. Let us keep them aside. So guys, this is the product. So here this is again, this is USB A to 4 USB A types hub, guys. So let us unwrap this first. Now guys, I got this, this is double the price of this. I got this under 500 rupees and I got this under 900 rupees. So Best Buy link in the description, you can check out from there and check the pricing. ये देखिए guys, आपको ये दोनों ही पोर्ट्स USB 3 पोर्ट्स लग रहे होंगे, बट ऐसा नहीं है. ये जो हमारा हब है ये टोटली USB 3 सपोर्ट करता है, करंट अप टू 0.9 amps and all 4 ports are USB 3 ports. Okay, so you can also see it from here, but let me you can also see on the pack here, Momentum 4 port USB 3 hub, 4 port USB 3 hub. Okay, and for all the 4 ports are USB A type, so you can see there is no USB C type, and you get this 120 centimeter of cable length with this hub. This is the hub itself guys, plastic built. This one is a metal built here, it's a metal here, premium quality guys, from brand Honeywell. And this is our again USB A type USB 3.0 super speed port, transfer speed up to 5 Gbps, that is gigabits per second. So these are the product guys. So let me quickly show you that here on the box you can see, yeah, it got dirty, sorry for that, but let me quickly show you. It's it says this Momentum 4 port USB 3 hub. Here you can see you get 3 USB ports, 3.0 USB ports, 4. Okay, on the other hand you can see here one port is USB 3 type and 3 ports are USB 2 type ports. Okay, so USB 2 supports speed up to 480. This is not megabyte per second, this is megabits per second, keep that in mind guys. Okay, and this is 5 gigabits per second here, and you can see here guys, USB 3 port offers transmission speed of up to 5 gigabits per second. This B should be small here and this B should be small here, but they have made it byte not bit, so this is bit. Okay, remember that, otherwise byte would be कि आप 5 GB एक सेकंड में उसको ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं. दिस इज नॉट द केस, दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल with this. Okay, so this is gigabits per second, 5 gigabits. If we convert this into megabyte per second, it comes around 500 to 600 megabyte per second. Okay, so guys देखिए जो हमारा ये USB Type C to 4 पोर्ट USB A हब है, इसमें कंपनी ने कहीं भी स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया है कि कौन सा एक पोर्ट है जो हमारा USB 3.0 पोर्ट है और कौन से 3 पोर्ट हैं जो कि हमारे USB 2.0 पोर्ट्स हैं. सो कलर कोडिंग में तो गाइस कंपनी ने स्पेसिफाई किया है, देखिए आप, कि इनको ब्लैक बनाया है कि ये जो 3 पोर्ट हैं ये USB 2.0 पोर्ट्स हैं और जो ये वाला एक पोर्ट है ये USB 3.0 पोर्ट है. बट इफ़ यू सी हियर गाइस, जो कंपनी ने क्या किया है कि यहाँ पे सारे पोर्ट्स सेम कर दिए हैं. यू कैन सी हियर कलर कोडिंग जो यहाँ पे ब्लैक नहीं है, ये USB 3 वाली ही कोडिंग है. सो इफ़ यू डोंट गेट कन्फ्यूज़, कि आप कन्फ्यूज़ नहीं हो, तो देखिए आप इस तरीके से भी पता लगा सकते हैं कि क्या सचमुच में ये USB 2 है या 3 है. सो यू कैन सी हियर गाइस, यू कैन सी इन द इमेजेस कि हमारा जो ये पोर्ट है इसके आप पिन का स्ट्रक्चर देख सकते हैं गाइस. इसमें टोटल 9 पिन्स हैं, आप देख सकते हैं. जो हमारा देखिए ये जो हमारा ऑल 4 पोर्ट्स आर दिस इज आवर टोटली USB 3.0 पोर्ट हब. इसमें सारे पोर्ट्स USB 3.0 हैं. सो इसमें आप देख सकते हैं जो स्ट्रक्चर हमारा, क्योंकि सारे ही पोर्ट्स USB 3.0 हैं, तो आप इसमें स्ट्रक्चर देख सकते हैं. 9 पिन वाले पोर्ट्स हैं हमारे. यू कैन सी हियर 4 पिन्स बिहाइंड एंड ये जो आगे देख रहे हैं आप 5 पिन्स हियर. सो यू कैन सी हियर इन अ सिमिलर वे हमारे 5 पोर्ट्स ये रहे और 4 पिन्स हमारी अंदर की साइड है. इसमें भी आप देख सकते हैं, इमेजेस में आपको और क्लियर हो जाएगा गाइज. एंड यू कैन सी हियर कि इसमें हमारी सिर्फ 4 पिन्स हैं. सो आप देख सकते हैं, तो ये इसमें सिर्फ हमारी 4 पिन्स हैं और आगे की साइड वो 5 पिन्स नहीं है. सो दिस ऑल्सो सेज कि हमारा ये वाला जो पोर्ट है इसमें गाइज ये हमारा सुपर स्पीड पोर्ट है और बाकी के जो ये 3 पोर्ट हैं ये हमारे USB 2.0 पोर्ट्स हैं. Here if I show you on the box the same thing, you get 4 3.0 USB ports, USB input. The input you can see you get with this is the USB input guys, USB type A input here and USB type C input with this USB hub. Okay, and here 5 volt output, and you can see here maximum current for all ports, especially उन्होंने बताया कि 900 maximum current all ports, 900 milliampere maximum current for all ports. Here output 500 milliamp. So that's all in the box, guys. Nice build quality. Again, Best Buy link in the description, you can check out from there.